Hi, welcome back to the channel. So in the last video we have seen how to install a theme from the themes option available with us in the WordPress. So in this video we'll be seeing where we can find the additional premium themes that you can purchase and download and get it installed into your WordPress as per the requirements. So one of the regularly used one is themeforest.net, where you can get all your WordPress files, theme files and all. You can directly purchase them and you can download it, get it uploaded. And one more thing is an Envato Elements. Here you will be having a subscription plan which you can use it on a monthly basis or an yearly basis. Next is your Template Monster. So these are the places where you can get your premium themes as per your requirement. So if you see here, you can just search for an e-commerce website. You see e-commerce in WordPress, so you will get a list. So if you see that so any one of the particular theme has your requirements fulfilled, then you can just purchase it and you can download it. Or you can just go here and get a subscription, and you can even search here. This is also the place you can, if you see here onto your left you have a categorization here. Is it a business or a fashion or sports, design, or is it for automobiles or for computers, anything. So depending on that you will be getting the options here. You can just go for a demo version. I mean, like, you can just visit how it looks and then you can purchase it if you like. So let me show you how you can do this. I already have some themes downloaded purchased. So if you just see here, you can just directly click and you can download it. Or if you want, they can install it to your server, but they have some charges for that. So this is how you can do it. You can directly click on it and you can download all the files, or you wanted any certificate or a purchase code, you can do that. So if I click on this theme, you see I can download all the documentation files and everything, or I can just directly download the WordPress file only. So when I click on that, I'll get a zip file downloaded, which I can just go here, add new, upload theme, and then just choose a file. You have two options of installing it. You can directly install from here, but sometimes you will get an error because your theme size is greater than your upload size. At that particular time you can increase your upload size, or you can directly just import it from the backend and then just extract it, so that you will get directly in the themes where you can activate it. So when you upload it, it takes a little bit time so that it gets uploaded, and it also installs all the plugins, or it will recommend us to get the plugins installed manually. So if you see here, you will be getting a notification like what is happening currently. So it is done. So you can go to themes page, or you can directly visit how the website looks. So this is how my website looks. Just click on activate. So as soon as I clicked on activate, if you see here, you got an option saying that you need to install these plugins. So just click on those plugins and you get them installed. Once you have installed them, again you need to activate them. So if you see here, installing and activating it happened at the same time. So this is how you'll upload your third-party themes. And if you go to your theme options like CS theme options and all, you'll get an importer option over there. So you can directly import the demo data from there, and you can start editing your own content, or you can start making your own changes. So you see import and export option, you can directly import them. So this is how you'll upload a theme and get started working on it. We'll just catch up in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.